guys, Yegi here. Before I jump into today's lash video, I want to thank all of you for hitting 100,000 subscribers. I'm so excited to hit that goal, and I couldn't do it without you. So thank you so much for your support and just even watching. To show my appreciation, I want to give back, and we're gonna do a giveaway for $500 gift card, a Yegi Beauty $500 gift card to be specific. In order to enter, it's super simple. All you need to do is below this coming up lash video that's about to follow this message, leave a comment. It could be anything, a question, a comment, feedback, anything you want to say, just leave me a comment. Or future videos you want me to do, leave a comment. That's all you need to do, and you need to hashtag Yegi 100K, hashtag eyelash extensions, hashtag Yegi Beauty, hashtag Yegi Lashes. So those 4 hashtags. And we'll leave the details underneath in the comments so you can read it again of what you need to do to enter. But it's super simple. Basically, leave a comment and leave hashtags, okay? But we do want to make sure that you're a true supporter and true fan of mine. So we do want to also include that you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, to my new Life of Yegi YouTube channel, which focuses more on motivation, and also the Yegi Beauty Instagram. So please make sure you are subscribed to those when you're entering. Thank you. I hope a lot of you take this opportunity, a super easy giveaway and a way to, show my appreciation of you. So thank you for that. Okay, now let's jump into our actual lash video. Ooh, one thing I forgot to mention, deadline is December 10th, 12 p.m. Pacific time. So make sure to enter before then. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Yegi here. In today's video, we're gonna cover a hybrid set using purple classic eyelashes and the Mega Volume 2.0 black eyelashes to get that hybrid look with a touch of purple. So hopefully this will be a cool look or an idea you can get. And these colorful eyelashes, they come in a few different colors, so check it out below. We'll link the products, but have fun. I hope you guys learned something, you enjoyed the video, and comment below if you have any questions about it. Oh, and the shape's gonna be a doll eye, and we're gonna go ahead and cover some tips and tricks, of course, like always. Okay, before we jump into the mapping, please pay attention and let me know if any part of the mapping sheet itself or the way we put stuff on there is confusing or unclear, because I do definitely want to improve it. I feel like it can use some adjustment, but I don't know exactly what or which part of it might be confusing for my viewers or for my clients, or students, all that stuff. So please pay attention to the mapping sheet and give me your feedback in the comments below. I would love to see. Here's a cool way of actually lifting the eye to apply the under eye patch instead of just having the client open their eyes to be able to apply the under eye patch and or tape it. Sometimes with certain eye shapes, it is better and easier to do this technique instead of having them open and then you tape and then they close their eyes, is because if you do it that way, their eye sometimes shifts, and again, that's only for clients with certain eye shapes. It's not every single client. So make sure that you can use this as a tool if you feel like the under eye patch keeps moving if they open and they close. Like, you apply it when it's open, but when they close, it's not where you want it to be. Use this technique. But pay attention right here. This is something I don't like. We could have done something better actually in this case to make our lives easier when we're applying. Is instead of using the clear tape, we could have used white tape and then clear tape on top of it to be able to see these eyelashes in the bottom. You see how they're kind of see-through under the tape? It's going to be harder to distinguish if they're bottom or top eyelashes when we're isolating. Now, with a lot of experience, you can still do it, but if you want to do a perfect job and make your life easier, put white tape under the clear tape so you can really see which one's the bottom eyelash, which one's the top eyelash. Your goal is to really cover and not see any of the bottom eyelashes when you're taping or using the under eye patch. My hands are really shaky in this video. I must have had too much coffee or too much sugar. So make sure don't have too much coffee or too much sugar before you're gonna do a set. It does make you jittery sometimes. Here are the classic purple eyelashes. We're gonna go ahead and first add in all the classic purple eyelashes, then we'll go in and in between add the mega volume to give it that full fluffy look. And that's what's gonna give us our hybrid look. The classic ones are the purple ones, and then volume ones are the black ones or the mega volume eyelashes we're gonna use. Okay, so these are the Yegi line that I'm using, and tweezers, again, we're using 2 curved tweezers because we are gonna do volume. Now, if you want to, you can use straight tweezers to apply the classic first, and then go in and change your tweezers to curved tweezers, and then put in the volumes. But pay attention, we are applying, evenly distributing the purple classic eyelashes throughout the eye, so then when she opens her eyes, they can look evenly distributed, and then the volume will fill in between. One other thing you can do is you can actually draw in on the under eye patch of where you're gonna put the purple ones, so then you don't have to think about it or look at it and visually see it, but you can just go ahead and follow your mapping on your under eye patch. You can brush the eyelashes throughout the process just like we did here. I don't like to over brush it as I'm applying because I don't want to mess with the way the glue bonds. But once in a while, or I want to say maybe total of 3 times throughout my process, I don't mind and it doesn't get in the way. But if you keep brushing it as you're applying, you're really going to mess with the way it bonds. So make sure you're not over brushing, but go ahead and brush, you know, I don't know, once if you really need it in this case, just like we're doing it to see how the purple eyelashes are distributed, to see where we can add some more. I guess what I'm trying to say is, unless you really have to brush it as you're applying it, don't. Only brush it at the very end as you're drying them. Now that we're done applying the classic purple eyelashes, we're gonna go in there and apply the volume or mega volume eyelashes. And keep in mind, I keep saying mega volume eyelashes, it's because that's the brand or that's the line of these volume eyelashes. They're easy fanning, and here's a little clip that you can see how easy they are to fan, and then we apply them. But that's the line, the mega volume. It doesn't necessarily mean you need to put huge fans on there. You can choose how thick or how wide and how small or big fans you want to put. So in this case, we're putting a medium-sized fan to get it nice and full for our hybrid set. And you know, medium size, again, it's my perception of medium. You can count and you can put how many ever lashes you want within each fan, but I like to look at it visually instead of counting 1 2 3 4 5, for example, for every single fan, because that just takes up too much time. But with practice visually, you can keep grabbing about the same amount of lashes to create that easy fan easily, and they can all look about the same. Now if one eyelash has 4, one eyelash has 5 in your fan, that's okay. It's not that big of a deal, because even our natural eyelashes, some are thinner, some are thicker, and they do blend and look really beautiful and fluffy. If you are isolating and by the time you grab your fan and one of the eyelashes next to it slips into your isolation, make sure you go ahead and re-isolate so you don't get them stuck together. But if it takes you too long to re-isolate, throw that fan away and grab a new fan, because remember that glue on the fan is drying and you don't want to put it on there too late, because then it's not going to bond well. You want to make sure you put it on really quickly, especially if you are using the Mega Hold glue like I am, which is a 0.5 to 1 second glue and makes it, you know, bond and you dry quickly so you can move on. Thank you for watching. Please like, thumbs up, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Share the video. All this stuff gets me more motivated to do more videos for you, and it actually helps me with my viewers and all that good stuff. And also follow me on Instagram, Yegi Beauty, for all the lash stuff, and Yegi or Life of Yegi for my personal, and also some motivation that I need to record more videos on motivation. But mainly, so far, focusing on lashes. Okay, well, bye, have a great day.